Hello friends, welcome back to the viyad. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about a software which is used for 3D printing. So let's start our video without any late. The name of the software is Matter Control 3D printing software. It is from the Matter Hackers. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about this software and some advantages and some disadvantages, and I'll show you a small tutorial on it. So let's start our video without any late once again. So friends, I have already installed the Matter Control. So you can install the software from the Matter Hackers official web page, or you can click on the link that is provided in the description box. So here I show you a small tutorial on it so that you can get a better clarity on the software. So start. So friends, I have made some small showcase like structure, means that is nothing that I made. You can make something like that, and I made this for showing you. See, here you can see a black box, right? Here you can see a black box. This is the view from which frame you want to see. For example, I want to see this from the top view. See, it changes to top. You can rotate this box. For example, I want the front view. You can click on the front view. It shows you the front view. Okay, this is all about the views from the different frames. And here are the some what is a material, means torus, cylinder, and you can enter the test cone and ring, torus. Okay, here are the some of the material. So, and here we have if you click on it, if I click on any shape, it will show the data here. The name of the shape, color, material, outer diameter, inner diameter, height, everything you can set here. And if you click on this print option, it will connect you to the 3D printer. See, it will ask me to connect to a 3D printer, but I don't have a 3D printer. So if you click on the print and select your printer, and it will print automatically. And coming to the advantages and disadvantages of the software, the first disadvantage is it is very basic level, means you cannot create the wonders. It's just a basic level. You can create a house, like you can create small structures, but you want a very big, like more professional things, you cannot use the software. Okay, the software is mainly set for the beginners. It's not for the masters. So if you are a master in a 3D animation or 3D printing, you cannot use this software. Why? Because it is not made for you. Next, coming to the another disadvantage, controls are not that much smooth. They are very poor quality. It is very hard to control over it. But if you use some other 3D printing softwares such as Blender, Maya, 4D Cinema, it is more convenient. So coming to the advantages, first advantage is it is basic level. Basic level is an advantage for the software, as well as it is a disadvantage for the software. And another advantage is it can be mainly useful for kids. And you can write the test in the software by using the test in the mesh. And next you can change the colors and everything. These are the some advantages and disadvantages regarding the software. Thank you, and please subscribe viyad.